Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.1 question number 4. Here is an incomplete net for making a cube. Complete it in at least two different ways. Remember that a cube has 6 faces. How many are there in the net here? Give two separate diagrams if you like. You may use a squared sheet for easy manipulation. Let us make a Here three faces are given, therefore you have to make another three face to make a net to make a cube. These three faces can be used in this way. That is, here there are three faces. There are three faces here. One, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? If you fold it this way, in this way, that means you have to make here one square here. Here you see, if you fold this one and this one, then you have to make another two faces here. One face here and again one face here. In this way you can make a cube. You see here, you fold this one, fold this one, fold this one, you can fold this one also to make a cube, right? That means you have to add this number 1, number 2 and number 3 you have to add to make a cube, right? Let us take another way to find another cube. Suppose this one can be rotated in this way. Can rotate it in this way. And there are three faces. 1, 2 and 3. Right? If I make a face in this way, right? That is here, if we make three faces here, three faces, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then you can make a net. Here you see, you fold this one, fold this one, fold this one, this will be upper face and this will be on the side, right? In these two way we can make cube. This is position 1, this is position 2, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.